What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Twitter account private. This is the easiest tutorial, and also this is an easy thing to do. So you just want to open your Twitter, and as you can see here in the top left, you will see there your profile picture. You want to scroll down a little bit and then click settings and privacy, as you can see here. And you can see here privacy and safety. Just click privacy and safety, and you want to click the first option, which is audience and tagging. And here it will say protect your tweets. So this means Twitter is only going to show your tweets to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower, so people have to request a follow request to you so that you can accept them before they can see your tweets or photos or whatever you post on Twitter. So just check this, okay? And now, as you can see here, guys, if you don't want anyone to tag you, make sure to turn to check this. You can just do a lot of things here. I hope, guys, this video helped you. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel.